Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sharon, and in this channel I share with you tips and tricks that help ease the academic experience. In this video I'll be sharing with you the Trello platform, which you can use to stay organized while carrying out research projects. It can also be used for other kinds of projects. It could be business projects, it could be IT projects, etc. Trello itself is a cloud-based online tool which you can use to manage projects. You can also use it to manage the phases of a research process. If you're looking to be productive and more organized, I definitely recommend adopting Trello. Accessing Trello is pretty easy. You just have to sign up with Trello, and then you'll be able to enjoy all the privileges that come with Trello. I'll be taking you through my own Trello platform. So within Trello, there are different workspaces which you can create, and within these workspaces you can have different boards, and these boards represent the different projects you're involved in. For example, here I have a research workspace, and then within this workspace I have two boards, an academic article tracker board and a PhD progress tracker board. Now, these boards represent, of course, the projects you're involved in. I'll walk you through my academic article tracker board. The first time you create a board and you open it, this is not how it will look like. It will be almost blank. So it is upon you to go ahead and create and fill it up. So how do we fill up a board? You can create different lists, and those are represented by columns. In order for you to add more lists, you can use the plus button, and then you create different cards, and these cards represent different tasks. I always have a maximum of 5 lists within all my boards, and these lists are the backlog, which represents all the tasks that need to be achieved. Then I have a to-do list, a doing list, a done list, and a done list. Within the backlog, as I said, I have different tasks, and these cards are represented, and these tasks are represented by cards. I can create as many cards as I can to make sure that all the tasks that need to be achieved are included. To create a new card, just click on the add a card option, and then you enter the card title. So here I'm going to create a card, say demo 1, and that is how it will look like. This card is mobile. You can shift it up, down a specific list, or you can shift it from one list to the other based on which level of activity it is in. Just like that. You can also provide more information within a specific list. For example, if you double click on a specific task, then you can provide a description. This is just an example, and you save it. You can add members to a specific task. You can also label this task using a color code, and these color codes, you can attach meanings to them. For example, if I color code it red, then that will mean a high priority task which needs to be done. I can also provide checklists under this task. A checklist is simply sub tasks that need to be done in order for the major tasks to be fulfilled. So it could be you need to do task 1. You need to do task 1, task 2, and task 3 in order for the major task to be done. So once you have achieved each and every task, you just click and a tick will appear, and then you'll have 100% in your checklist. And once you have achieved 100%, it implies that that task has been done already. But before that, then these all need to be unchecked. You can set a due date for a specific card or a specific task. Say if you want that to be done by 23rd, then you set that a due date. You'll be notified when you're approaching close to the due date. You can also attach either a computer, a Trello, another Trello, a Google Drive, a Dropbox, a OneDrive, a box, or you can just type in a link here to attach, so that whoever accesses this Trello should be knowing that you are supposed to use this link to make sure that you finish your task, maybe to access files, etc. You can also change the cover, but in the meantime I'm going to leave it as is. You can apply all this to the tasks in the backlog. If you want to perform a specific task, then you can shift it from the backlog to, for example, the to-do list. And once it is time for you to achieve this task, then you can shift it from the to-do list to the doing list. Once that task is done, and you can then shift it from the doing list to the done list. Once you're sure that the task is completely done and you have confirmed that it is done, then you can shift it from done to done. So that will apply to each and every task. One important advantage of Trello is that you can have more than one member within it. For example, if you're doing a research collaboration and you want all the other members to follow the project from the beginning to the end while knowing all the tasks that are supposed to be done, then you can invite all those members into your Trello board and they keep track of each and every activity. They can also take part in activities within your board. So all you have to do is click on the invite button, and then you provide the email address or the name of the individual you wish to invite into your Trello. So once you send that invite to the person accepts the invite, and then there'll be more than one member within the board. So implying that you can have more than 50 people within a specific project, and all those people will be at par and on track with everything that is taking place within that project. You will try to avoid confusion during the process of the project, and everyone will at least have an idea of what is going on within that project, and the contribution of each person can easily be seen on this Trello board. So some of the key tasks that I think are important when it comes to writing down an academic article or developing the whole concept may include, of course, writing a proposal, defending the proposal, downloading the data, and setting up data analysis software, doing the analysis, writing the manuscript. Then you submit the manuscript for review, you await review, respond to reviewer comments, etc. So every single time I have an article that I want to write, a project that I want to work on, I usually use this board to keep track, and I also usually use this board to coordinate with other members that are involved within this article. And every time you shift an event from one list to the other, all the members are notified that a change has been made. And if there's a task that is taking place, also all members are notified that that task is taking place. That is one key advantage of Trello, and it is a tool that I highly recommend when it comes to organization, when it comes to productivity. If you want to increase on your productivity, if you want to get organized, then Trello is the platform you're looking for. Hopefully this video helps you, and also it actually provokes you to go ahead and try and explore Trello. Use it. If you do it, please write down your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was a beneficial video to you. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're a newcomer. And thanks.